there's so much time for the pilgrims to move around. They went shopping to Italy, and there was an elderly woman unaccompanied. And nung dumating, hindi na makalakad. I had with me my portable cane, which I kept in the back. My thinking was, I'll bring it out on emergency. For some time, the woman managed, and the first leg of the trip, we went to the Garden of Gethsemane. One of the places we visited, and I placed that cane full stretch because mahaba ng lakay. I told my prayer was, Lord, if this trip will bring me relief and comfort, I'll pass on this cane to someone who needs it. That was I remember the story of May Rosary. And the woman led on to that walk. So I gave him the cane, we have the cane, and fortunately someone had to stay with her, a young Chinese girl, so she would have maintained her in the books. And each time I feel like getting the cane, there's something, my conscience is bothered. I have my wife, I can hold on to my wife, I need it, why get it from this old woman? The old woman, there were several attempts I wanted to get it, but I did not. And in the last, there was a point where, I think just before we went home, there was a mass for spiritual healing. And it was then it was returned to me. And before that, my wife had that kind of, that similar to Marcos, leukemia, and start developing. That's one. When we got up, no signs of it.
Wow.
In fact, this morning on my way to the school, in the radio program they were airing about Nico de Ramos when Christ is welcome with the bomb, triumphant entry. And in our trip on, the pilgrims were asked to carry a replica of the cross. And from the place where Christ first carried it up to the sepulchre where he was buried. And the personal experience class is, and this is a common comment of those who participated. The cross is very light, but as you go on, it becomes heavy.
Sir, that was yung big cross, just like that.
But some said, continue to be light from beginning up to the end. So our reflection is the weight of the cross depends on your state. I believe on what I consider the truth. You can find me so stubborn from holding on to it, because that's what I learned the real meaning of forgiveness and the joy that goes with it. Come in. Oy, Anel. Ito yung aking squadron. No? Dati naglalakad ako sa corridor ng San Sebastian. One time, yung president director, he said, "Why are you too early? What makes you teach at San Sebastian? I know you're making much. And if you are, how much do we pay you?" Father, I believe only from the fact. Hopefully, I could have a multiplier effect. And the classes, Bastian, look at my classes as elitist. Yung mga nagtatakot sa akin go to other professors. And when they see me in my class, this is the elitist class president. Meaning those who really mean business and want to be the object of the last stick to one. So, I remember that. This time without my asking it, and I hope Jude and Lizette and the others, I know, give them the chance to have better or be as good. There will always be moments in our lives where we show that we can be different and we can be better. Tama ba yun, Nanay Igin?
Yes, sir.
Yan pare yun eh.
Pare?
Bago nagbagong nalis, nakakita ng madre. Madalas ako na-absent dito, sila nagtuturo. Pagka wala lang ako, maraming tanong.
Sir, ito ako lang nakakabot mo ko eh.
O kaya nga, maraming tanong. Ako
Hindi
lang
kami
yung sa
magpansin
ng
mo
tanong.
lang.
Hindi may nasagot pa akong mali. Hindi ko alam kung mali ang sagot ko o tama.
Kasi po sir, natatakot kami na pag nagtatanong kami, magbibigay kayo ng quiz.
Bishop, saka marami po kasi sharing din si Rita tungkol sa ano po niya, experiences na related sa report.
So natatakot kayo dahil sa bibigay ako ng quiz kung hindi kayo makasagot.
Opo. Kaya pag meron kaming tanong, tinatanong na lang namin yung reporter at the side or ano.
Yung accreditation ng UAE, sabi sa akin na din siya, dahil may mga summaries na questions mo at answers. Sabi ko, ang iiksili mo dyan, wala sulat yung papel. Para sabihin pa, hindi ako nagtutulog.